multi-landlords and multi-clients coming to us saying, no one else that I've called through can provide me with a Matterport scan. So I want to list through you so I can have this marketing material, because we want to use the technology. We want to be able to lease our property as fast as we can and have the best exposure across the market. We actually got in contact with Foya, who is an immersive technology studio here in Melbourne. Through Foya, they set up a platform called Captured, which is basically a platform that we use to manage all our bookings, all our 3D scans. We can have photos edited through there where they take photos directly from the 3D scans. We've got floor plans that get created, and it also sets us up with a whole heap of analytics across all of our 3D scans, so we can see what's being viewed from all our clients as well. When it came to stage 4 lockdown in August, September, we were actually put ourselves in a really good position. It was really helpful to have Matterport scans because we leased 40 properties sight unseen, with tenants just being able to view the property off our 3D tours. It's actually saved us in terms of labour across the board, because we're not having 4 people go out 5 days a week to conduct opens back to back. We've reduced that down to 2, and the other half, which would have been 2 consultants, is now done through our Matterport 3D scans. So it's really helped us work more effectively and more efficiently, and spending less time on the road and more time with our prospective tenants trying to find them the right properties.